Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Windows setting is not open in Windows 11. So how to fix this issue? Means setting, Windows setting, this is not working. Okay, like this. So first method guys, restart your system, properly shut down. Okay, go to shutdown, wait few seconds, then again restart your then again start your system. This is first method. Second method, Windows R. You can enter the run, open this, and then type ms dash setting as common, then hit enter. Okay, it will be open. This is command. Okay, then guys, right click, restart Windows Explorer. So right click and click to task manager. Okay, so find out Windows Explorer. Okay, yellow color. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This is just right click, select this and right click and click to restart. Okay, and wait seconds to normalize your system. Then close it. Then next method. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. Hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point. To click, you can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type, okay, and then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it.